Hello cryptopreneurs, top of the day to you. Today we are going to be discussing on how to set a buy and sell order, the advantage and disadvantage of setting a buy and sell order. Okay, as you can see, I'm logged into my Binance. Let's go straight to today's topic. All right, first of all, what do you want to achieve by setting a buy order? It simply means you want to buy a token or a coin at a price lesser than the current market price. Take for example now, this is a trading pair of MIR/USDT. The current price is $1.6. Now, if you want to buy this token at a price lower than this $1.6, it means you have to set a buy order. And if you already have a token and you want to sell at a price higher than this, you have to set a sell order. The reason for setting a buy order, like I said, is to buy the token lower than the current market price. And the reason for setting a sell order is to sell your token that you already have at a price that is higher than the current price. Now, this is for traders. For people that are long-term holders, there will not be need setting a sell order. Just buy and hold. If you're a trader, you feel the price of a token may go high and you may not be online to sell when the price go up, then you can set a sell order. So once the price gets to that amount that you set as sell order, immediately your token is sold off. How do you do that? You set the amount. Now the current price is 1.6. If you want to set a buy order, instead of this 1.6, now you put at a price lower than this 1.6. Let's say 1.4. But before we do that, I already have a buy order here that I have to cancel and reset it again. Maybe you've done your technical analysis, you've checked the chart, and you've seen that maybe the prices has gone very high. You're projecting that it will come a little lower than the current price. You don't want to buy at a very high price. You can set a buy order for a lower price so that immediately the price falls to that level, it clicks and your order is executed. As you can see, I have $71 in my wallet and I want to set a buy order for $1.4. The current price is 1.6. I change it to 1.4. Now you can see percentage here. You can see 25%, 50%, 70%, and 100%. Now, this is the quantity you want to buy from what you have in your wallet. As you can see, I have $71. Now, if I put 100%, it simply means I'm going to buy the MIR with all the $71 in my wallet. But if I put 75%, it means it will only execute the trade with 75% of what I have in my wallet, which is the USDT. If I use 50%, it's going to use half of what I have, which is half of $75 that I have. And if I use 25%, it's okay. But if you're not okay with the margin, you can always come here and type in exactly how much you want. Let's say you want 50 MIR. You put it here, the total will be $70. Okay, so for the sake of this trade, I'm going to be using 100%. So it simply means you're buying that token, everything you have. So once you click the buy order, scroll down, you will see it there, MIR/USDT, the amount and the price. Now, the price I put is $1.4. The current price is about 1.58. You can see when we started this video, the price was about $1.6. But because of the volatility, it has gone down a little. So if you want to buy at a lower price, you insert the price into the box here. Then immediately the price gets to that level, your trade gets executed automatically. So the same thing with sell order. Before you can set a sell order, it simply means you have the token already and you want to sell it as a price higher than what you bought it. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to cancel this. If you don't want the buy order, you can always cancel it at any time. So now I just canceled it, and with my money now I want to buy at the current price so that I can set a sell order. Though it's the same principle, but I want to execute this trade. Now you can see this is the order book. The prices you can see on red are the sell orders, while the prices you can see on green are the buy orders. If you want to buy at the current price, you don't want to set a buy or sell order, you just want to execute a trade. Once you just come here, click on the first sell order here, put the amount you want to buy. I want to buy worth of $70. So once I click the buy order, automatically it gets executed. The trade gets executed. As you can see now, I have 44.4 MIR. I bought it. If you want to check the price at which you brought it, you see this arrow here, this key here, you click on it, it shows you your order history. So now this is the price at which I bought my MIR, $1.59. Now it simply means now I want to set a sell order for $2. So I'll just come here the price and put 2. And how many do I want to sell? Do I want to sell all the MIR? Do I want to sell 25%, 50%? Of course I want to sell everything. So I click 100% and click the sell order. Automatically it's set as well. So once the price gets to $2, whether I'm online or offline, automatically that trade will be executed and MIR I bought will be converted back to USDT. That simply means I've taken my profit. Okay, so if you're a trader, a day trader or a swing trader, you may want to consider working with your sell order, buy and sell order, because that is what will help you to make profit very well. But if you are if you're an investor, a long-term holder, I don't think you may want to consider that. All you want to do most likely is to buy and leave your token in your wallet, buy and hold. So this tutorial is mostly for traders, day traders, swing traders. Now, the disadvantage of setting a sell order is sometimes the price actually get to your sell order, to the price which you projected it will, and exceed it by far. Let's say I just set a sell order, for example, now for $2, and the price of this token got to $2. It exceeded $2, got to 2.1, 2.4, 2.8, $3, 3.5, $4, maybe even $5 or more. Now, assuming I was holding, I would have made more profit. But I decided not to hold. I decided to sell, put a sell order. So once it gets to that price, that $2, it must sell off. Whether the price keep on going up or down, I'm already out of the market. So that's the disadvantage of placing a sell order. If you do your trade well, if you're a technical analyst or however, you've done your analysis well and you think this price is okay, you can set your sell order, and once you get there, it executes and takes you out of the trade. But if you think you are not sure of where the price will possibly get to, you can just consider just holding your token in your wallet without setting a sell order. So that's the disadvantage of setting a sell order. Everything that has an advantage has a disadvantage. The advantage is when you, for example, you set at $2 and it gets to that $2, the trade gets executed and you've converted back to your stable currency, USDT or BUSD, then it means you are out of the market. If the price begins to dip, it gets to $1.9, 1.8, 1.5, 1.2, that at that point you'll be very happy because you're out of the market and you've taken your profit instead of having loss. Now, if you didn't sell, if you're holding, at that point it's in 1.2, the price is at 1.2, it means you're at loss. But if you've sold, it means you are out of the market and you are at profit. So you can see both sides. So whenever you are trading, you must develop a strategy. What do you want to achieve in that trade? That will enable you to know if you're to set a sell order or a buy order. And if you're setting any of them, at what rate are you setting this sell or buy order that will be meaningful to the current price and the projected price that you think it will get to. Now, if you click on this candle here, it takes you to the chart. This is applicable to all centralized exchange. You can set a buy order and a sell order in all centralized exchange, but it doesn't work like that in a decentralized exchange. In a decentralized exchange, what you're doing is a swap. You're going to swap whatever pair you are trying to trade with the current market price immediately. Okay, so but the centralized exchange, you have the opportunity of setting a buy and a sell order as well as a stop loss order. This time frame here is used to determine each candle. The red candlestick simply means a decline in price, a reduction in price, while the green candlestick means an increase in price. Each candlestick here represents a time frame. Now, if you change this time frame to 1 minute, it simply means each candlestick represents 1 minute. When you change it to 30 minutes, each candlestick represents 30 minutes. When you change it to 3 days, 3D, each candlestick represents 3D. So this is what the chart is going to look like. If you change it to 1 week, 1 month, this is what the price look like. So I think that is all for now concerning how to set a buy and sell order. So please take note of this so that you can always call off your trade as at when necessary. And the buy and sell order is used to take profit from the market, is used to ensure that you're buying at the best possible price, the lowest possible price you can think of. Be sure that you don't set a ridiculous buy order or a sell order so that your orders can be executed in due time. Thank you very much for watching. Smash up the like button, and if you're new in my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for instant updates. So whenever I release any video, you get notified. I remain the Bishop of Crypto Cathedral. Do have a wonderful day.